When it comes to Easter dinner, there are some traditional favorites that everyone loves and requests year after year. Whether you're serving a spiral cut ham, a roasted leg of lamb, or a butter basted turkey, we have just a thing that goes perfectly with any of them. It's an Au Gratin potato casserole that goes together like this. We start by cutting some russet potatoes into 1/4-inch slices. You can do this with a sharp knife, a mandolin, or a food processor. We place half of the potatoes in a baking dish, then pour a mixture over it that we made by combining some milk with flour, a bunch of spices, and shredded cheddar cheese. We'll repeat the layers one more time before topping it with some butter. Then cover it and pop it in the oven. Once the potatoes are tender, we'll uncover it and sprinkle the top with more cheddar and lots of Parmesan before popping it back in the oven. Creamy? Yes. Comforting? You bet it is. That's what makes it the perfect go-along with just about anything. You might even want to make a double batch. It's that good. To get the recipe for our easy Au Gratin potatoes, make sure you visit our website today so you'll have it in plenty of time for Easter. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we discovered a tasty traditional way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.